If you're over 40 and feel stiff every morning, this 5-minute routine could change your day. No equipment, no gym, just simple stretches that help reduce aches, improve mobility, and keep you feeling younger starting today. Welcome to ZenUp. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, you've probably noticed your body doesn't recover the way it used to. Sitting longer, moving less, and daily stress can tighten muscles and strain joints. The good news? You don't need intense workouts. A few intentional minutes of stretching each day can improve flexibility, posture, and long-term joint health. Let's start. Number 1. Neck and upper trap release. 1 minute. Stand tall, slowly tilt your head toward your right shoulder. Hold for 10 seconds. Switch sides. Now gently look down toward your chest. Hold, release. Why this matters? Screen time and driving cause neck stiffness. Improving mobility here reduces tension headaches and upper back tightness. Number 2. Shoulder rolls plus chest opener. 1 minute. Roll your shoulders backward slowly for 20 seconds, then forward. Now clasp your hands behind your back. Open your chest and lift slightly. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. After 40, posture becomes critical. This stretch counters rounded shoulders and improves breathing capacity. Number 3. Hamstring stretch. 1 minute. Place one heel forward. Keep your back straight and hinge at the hips. Hold 20 seconds per side. Tight hamstrings contribute to lower back discomfort. Keeping them flexible supports spinal alignment and reduces strain. Number 4. Hip flexor stretch. 1 minute. Step one foot back into a gentle lunge. Keep your chest upright and shift forward slightly. Hold 20 to 30 seconds each side. Sitting shortens hip flexors. Over time, this affects balance and posture. Stretching here supports healthy aging. Number 5. Calf stretch. 45 seconds. Hands on a wall. Step one leg back. Press heel down. Hold 20 seconds per side. Strong, flexible calves support circulation and reduce fall risk, which becomes more important as we age. Number 6. Gentle spinal rotation. 45 seconds. Stand relaxed, slowly rotate your torso side to side. Keep movement controlled. Spinal mobility improves daily movement and reduces stiffness. Why this works? After 40, muscle elasticity decreases and recovery slows, but consistent light stretching improves blood flow, supports joint lubrication, reduces stiffness, enhances balance, and protects long-term mobility. 5 minutes daily is more powerful than one intense workout per week. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to ZenUp for practical health strategies designed for real life. Aging is natural, staying stiff is optional.